Oh my God. I'm sorry, I didn't realize, man. Hello, how's it going? Nice to meet
I got
you.
lotion on my hands.
Oh, that's all right.
Bailey. It's not anything weird.
A lot better than oil.
Okay, so back in July, I had a cylinder 2 misfire. One of my clients' husbands, he changed it, but it was still idling rough when you first start it. And I have white smoke come out the exhaust. So I checked the coolant and it's actually kind of low. So I fill it up, did it again. The white smoke, it's idling rough. Now I'm having a cylinder 2 misfire again. It'll be paid off in July, unfortunately.
Oh, you're still paying on it?
Yeah.
Well, ma'am, let me see your keys and I'll get to the root of it.
I put a new hood on it. Had hail damage, so the
hood struts don't work?
Yeah.
I gotcha. I figured with the stick as soon as I seen it.
Yeah.
I've seen it quite a few times. People get kind of innovative. I've seen mop handles, broomsticks. All right, so here's the deal, ladies and gentlemen. Typically when you're experiencing a coolant leak, but you can't find it, but you know that there is one because you're adding coolant, you can suspect maybe an internal coolant leak. Now that being said, if you're also having a misfire on a specific cylinder, why simultaneously having white smoke come out the exhaust? That's even more of a strong indicator of a head gasket leak, which is what we're going to test today. And we're going to hope that this doesn't change colors. Oh no. All right, so here's the deal. You see how it's yellow? And unfortunately, as I expected, indeed is a bad head gasket.
Oh my gosh, I know what that is.
Oh no, yeah, it's not good.
It isn't? Okay.
No, so it does indicate a bad head gasket. We'll do the head gasket for you. You just gotta let me know if that's something you want to do. But here's the deal. With the head gasket, we would have to replace timing chain, all the timing chain components because of the mileages.
Okay.
I mean, it comes in a kit. But also, I have a place that does machine work on cylinder heads and stuff like
so
that.
You gotta take it and make sure it's not warped.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
So we would take it and they would just clean it and then make sure that everything's...
I kind of done a little research just because I knew that could be a big possibility.
Yeah.
It is. About what do you think the cost would be?
And parts and everything together, like realistically, with after the machine shop and everything, it was between like $500 to $700. Now, I don't know if you're like too familiar on how we do business, but in a situation like that, if you needed our assistance, like, you know, where you didn't have the funds to pay or something like that, we could help you out.
Yeah.
So, who's ready to see a head gasket? Well, wide open too.